Deja-Vu AI is one of the most buzzed about AI tools that just got released, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know before deciding if this is the software for you. Stick around to the end because I'm going to share my experience and tell you exactly what makes Deja-Vu AI stand out in the ever-growing world of artificial intelligence. First off, Deja-Vu AI brings something unique to the table. It leverages machine learning to simulate past behaviors and interactions, making it ideal for businesses that rely on customer engagement and retention. What's impressive about Deja-Vu is that it doesn't just analyze past data, it predicts future trends and outcomes based on that data. So it's not just about looking back at what happened, but making smarter decisions moving forward. If you've struggled to keep up with predictive analytics in your marketing strategy, this could be a game changer. Now, one of the standout features of Deja-Vu AI is its simplicity. It's designed to be user-friendly even for those who don't have a technical background. The interface is intuitive, and you can start analyzing data almost instantly without needing to hire a data scientist. This accessibility is what makes it such an attractive option for small businesses and digital marketers who want to make the most out of their data without the complexity. But let's talk about real value. Deja-Vu AI goes beyond just being easy to use. It's highly customizable. This is important because every business has different needs. Whether you're an e-commerce store trying to predict customer behavior or a service-based business looking to enhance your customer relationships, Deja-Vu AI lets you tailor its features to suit your specific goals. That level of flexibility is key for businesses wanting to get the most out of their AI investment. One of the most exciting aspects of this tool is its ability to integrate seamlessly with your existing systems. It works with popular CRM platforms, email marketing tools, and even social media analytics. That means you don't have to start from scratch or overhaul your entire digital marketing setup to take advantage of Deja-Vu AI. If you already use systems like Salesforce or HubSpot, integrating Deja-Vu is a breeze. This makes it an easy choice for businesses already embedded in these tools. Now, let's talk about pricing. Deja-Vu AI offers a free trial so you can test the waters and see if it's the right fit before making any financial commitments. And from what I've seen, their paid plans are surprisingly affordable compared to other AI tools out there. They offer different tiers based on your business size and needs, so you don't have to break the bank to use cutting-edge AI technology. Another feature I love is its ability to handle both structured and unstructured data. This is huge because businesses today deal with all kinds of data, from spreadsheets to social media posts. Deja-Vu AI's ability to process this wide variety of information and deliver actionable insights helps you make data-driven decisions that are more precise and relevant. It saves you the time and hassle of manually sorting through raw data to find patterns or trends. But let's not forget its automation capabilities. Deja-Vu AI automates many of the tasks that would otherwise require constant human intervention. Whether it's customer segmentation, lead nurturing, or sending out personalized content, this AI can handle it for you. It frees up your time so you can focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that while Deja-Vu AI is incredibly powerful, it may not be suitable for everyone. If you're a solo entrepreneur just starting out or running a small side hustle, the advanced features might be more than you need right now. However, for medium to large businesses looking to scale, this software has the potential to significantly boost your efficiency and bottom line. I recommend giving Deja-Vu AI a try. There's a free trial link in the description so you can see firsthand what it can do for you. Also, don't forget, I've tried thousands of AI tools, and at the end of this video, you'll find a list of my top recommendations for AI software that I personally trust, all available for free. Make sure to check the description for more details and start using the best AI tools to supercharge your business.